All right, welcome to the Dark Faces case study. And if you've been following the Photoshop Top Secret course, you have probably seen this image before, either posted on a blog or the Photoshop Top Secret website, and it's also been featured in a couple of magazines. And so I thought it'd be kind of cool to go ahead and show you how I actually created this image. And I'm using several different things to achieve this effect, but let's go ahead and get started. All right, here's the original stock image that I chose for the project, and this was downloaded from istockphoto.com. And I really like this image because the product is called Photoshop Top Secret, I like the hand over the mouth, so it looks like, it's trying to keep out any secrets and had that whole look. But you can't say anything, it's top secret, or something like that. And it's dark and kind of moody, and I really love it. So I wanted to go ahead and use this photo. But I wanted to add on to it. I didn't want to leave it just like it is, although it's a really nice image. But I wanted to add on to it and change the textures or add a texture over the face and the skin and the hand and add some other metal elements onto it and soup it up a little bit so it looks really cool. But I'll go through here and show you some of the images that I used. And what I did is I went to a stock image website such as Stock Exchange. Here's the actual stock image website where I got the photos from, and a lot of these are free stock photos. All you have to do is find a photo you like and email the author of the photo or the photographer and ask them if you can use the photo for a project. And all you can do is just type in here engine. You can see I've already done this, but if you just type in a keyword up here and click this button right here, and it will display a bunch of different photos for that keyword, but you can just scroll through here and find different photos and things of parts of engines or photos of engines. There's there's some pretty cool locomotive engine stuff down here, and you can take these photos and mask certain parts of the elements and place them over other photos and create your own little cool looking surreal images. So you can just go to sxc.hu and you'll come to this site and you can enter in your own keywords and for anything just about and find images that you can use for your own projects. And here's one of the images that I got from the exact same website, and I really like how all this looked, so I've used this. Also, this image right here. This one. And there's the original, or I'm sorry, there's the finished product, but you can see what I've done is I've actually masked parts of these engines and these photos. And there's the original, the one at the top here. You can see that's what it looked like after I've masked it out